Maybe if you're like I am, you remember the old school radios, transistor radios, where you had to like get the dial just right to get the station to come in. And if it was just barely off a little bit, you get a lot of static in it. It wouldn't sound clear. You wouldn't be able to understand what was going on. Or maybe you remember the television antennas, the rabbit ears, and you had to wiggle them just a certain way, position them so that the station would come in. Otherwise, you'd get a lot of white noise. And I think that's the way we are as human beings, especially entrepreneurs, people that work for ourselves. It's not like we can go to work and then a paycheck automatically shows up on Friday. We've got to put in the work. We've got to perform. We've got to be tuned in. We've got to be dialed into high levels of performance. And until the day Elon Musk figures out how to put the Neuralink in our brains and digitally tune us to a fine point, I think it's very important that we invest in coaching, we invest in mentoring, we invest in relationships, we invest with people who know how to tune that dial just right to get us to the places where we want to go. All right, this is Mike. Make it a great day.